Hi, how you doing? You're listening to Every Mickle Muckle, powered by GK Money Sense from Grace Kennedy Financial Group. Today we're talking about turning small habits into big financial wins. Who is with me? Hello?
Good afternoon, Aunty Faye. I'm Sasha. So, me work hard, but me not trust bank. Me keep my savings in a shoebox under the bed. And truth is, half of the bank talk sound like foreign language to me.
Thank you for saying it plain, Sasha. Plenty of people feel the same way. Let us walk through it. There are 3 roadblocks you just named. Saving is hard, fear of the bank, and not knowing how to use the tools. We can tackle all 3, okay?
Me listening.
First, the shoebox. In the house is not safe. One little mishap and the money gone. In a regulated bank, your money is recorded and protected, and some accounts even earn a little interest. You do not have to do anything extra beyond putting it in and topping up regularly.
But me no know where to start.
Start small and steady. Pick an amount you can live with, even $500 a week. Set a reminder and send it the same day and time each week. If your job pays monthly, send it the day after payday so you do not spend it by accident. Little by little grows into real money.
Boy, me always touch it back when things real tight.
That happens. Talk to you next time on Every Mickle Muckle, powered by GK Money Sense from Grace Kennedy Financial Group. Walk good.